throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me.
Alright guys, so this is an inside test. It is about 2:20 p.m. so I do have the kind of the blinds a little shut, so I'm surprised how much light I can actually see with the front facing camera on the Stylo 6, the LG Stylo 6. Here really to the eye it looks a little dark, but in the camera guys it really does a good job. I can really see the dark areas, so I'm very surprised with this camera. The front facing is pretty good, and yeah, I'm very surprised with it. Actually, it's pretty good. It's a lot better than what I thought, and just keep me in frame and everything. So, wow, pretty decent. Like I said, it's pretty dark. We'll test it outside in a little bit. All right, guys. So this is the front facing camera. As you can see, I'll probably look a little sweaty just because I'm riding my bike. So that's what we're doing today, is riding the bike. It is about, I would say probably 7:30 p.m. so the sun is going down. Probably have like an hour's worth of sunlight, so we'll see how well it does. Alright guys, so here's another front facing video test on the LG Stylo 6. As you can see, like I said, the sun is going down, so we don't have the best sun right now, but hey, it's pretty good. It should be good enough since we still have sun. Yeah, we should be pretty fine. Like I say, I'll do a front-facing stabilization test on the bike to see how well it goes, but it should be pretty good. So, like I said, I'm riding my bike right now. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, we'll get more into that. All right, guys. So this is, like I said, same thing. The front-facing camera in kind of low light. The sun is basically going down. We only got about 20 minutes of sunlight. But as you can see, there's a lake right behind me. Same thing, I was taking a rear-facing camera test on it. So it is pretty dark. I just want to see how well it looks. So as you can see, so let's get to where there's a little bit more sunlight. And we'll start recording again. So it got me, there we go. Put me back in focus, I believe. And there's the lake right there. Like I said, this is the front-facing camera test on the LG Stylo 6. So it does have a little bit of trouble trying to, refocus me, I guess, but hey. Alright guys, so this is the front-facing camera test on the LG Stylo 6, another one. So here we are on the same kind of bridge that I was talking about, and the bird should be back there somewhere. I think he's just hiding somewhere. Oh, there he is. I don't know if you can see him. Bloop, and there he is. But yeah, it's very peaceful here. Where I live there's like a lot of I guess like nature and stuff. Like I said, there's a crocodile out here somewhere. He's probably just hiding right now. But yeah, we can kind of see how well it looks. Hopefully it does look pretty good. But yeah, sorry if I look like a mess. Like I said, I've been bicycling and it's like 80 degrees even at almost 8 o'clock. So pretty cool. Hopefully the camera looks very good. And let's see what you guys say about the LG Stylo 6.
But don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
Alright guys, so this is the rear facing camera test. So it's about 7:30ish right now. So as you can see, the sun is going down. I have maybe an hour left of sun. So this is kind of the video that you can expect to see. So as you can see, it's a new kind of house development and everything. Let's go ahead and ride the bike. I'm actually on the bike, get some exercise. So let's see how well it does, if there's any stabilization at all. So you should be able to see how well it does, if it does have, I believe it does have some image stabilization. So, but overall, so far so good. Alright guys, so here's another rear facing camera test. Like I said, same thing, the sun's going down, but we're testing out the colors. This grass looks very green right here on my side. It's supposed to have HDR as well. As you can see, the sun is over there. So if we look towards the back where the sun's actually hitting, we should be able to see, and we should be able to switch. So that's pretty good. But like I said, let's do another stabilization test on the front. On the rear facing camera. See how well that does. We'll get a little bit of water right here. So not too bad. I did get a little splash, but it's good. Like I say, we can test out the stabilization. There's a little lizard there, and we'll get to the main spot where I want to go. But as you can see, it's very nice here. So alright guys, so this is a rear facing camera test. Same thing, we are kind of like on a bridge. This is in my neighborhood. So it's pretty good. I would say there's like this lake. I know there's like an alligator or whatever in there. So yeah, let's just see how well it looks. Like I said, the sun is going down, as you can see. So I want to see how well it does in low light. So yeah, it should be pretty good, and we'll get to where there's still a little bit of sun in a little bit, but I kind of just want to show you how this camera looks, So there's some rocks right there. Let's see how well it does with the colors and everything. Alright guys, so check that out. I don't know, some kind of bird or something. I really don't know, but it's he's kind of hiding from me. So this is, like I said, the rear facing camera. So let's see how well it looks with the water and everything. So yeah, check it out. Hopefully it looks beautiful and the camera looks good. As you can see, the sun is over there, so it's kind of going down. But it is pretty peaceful out here, and that's why I come out here to bike. So yeah, pretty cool.